Hey guys, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. I'm not gonna stay on here too long. I just came to give y'all some update on the dates for Robert. Anybody ready to come on in? Come on in. I see 33 people in the chat, but I don't see any comments. What's going on? Is this just the haters in here? I need my friends to get up in here. I need my people. I need some. There you guys go. Hey, Cynthia. Hey, Shannon. Hey, K Baby. Hey, Phoenix Rising. Hey, Kim. Hey, Yvette. Hey, guys. I just have some update for you guys. I'm going to read it. I'm just going to wait till a few more people get into the chat, so then we can go ahead and give you the update of Robert. It looks like his trial will be in April. It will be in April. I'm going to put it up here on the screen for you guys to look at. Just bear with me a second. Got to close some of these apps out. Okay. Let me just open this up for you guys. It's got 43 people in the chat. Come on, guys. Let's smash the like button so I can give you the information, guys. I just need you guys to snap that like. Where are my people at? Where Randa Baby and Gucci and all the other folks? Where are they at? Where y'all at? And my buddy is on my YouTube now. Hey, I can't tell your name, but you know who you are. Thank you for subscribing this morning, my darling. I missed you a lot. We go way, way, way back, her and I. But I got a chance to talk to her, and she's now my new subscriber. I just needed to bring some 411 to you guys this afternoon. Shout out to Keisha, because Keisha sent me this today, and I went on to my paces and I did see it, but she sent it out to me first, so I'm going to give her the shout out. Thank you, Keisha. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for being on there, being on board, getting the information out to me. Hey, Princess Diana. Hey, Jackie. Hey, Champel. Hello, Angel. Hey, Cassandra. Hey, Jackie. I think I said Jackie already. But anyway, we got 59 people in the chat right now. Let's go ahead and let's get started with what time is Dallas tutorial? Hey, Dallas. Dallas. She's not listening. Hold on. Let me call her on the phone. Ask her what time her tutorial is. I think she said it was going to be at 9 o'clock our time, which is going to be a good time for people who's in California. It's going to be 6 o'clock California, but 9 o'clock our time. I think that's what she said. Don't quote me. Don't quote me. Let's see. This thing is like a delayed in here. All right, let's go. I got the information for y'all. Let me bring it up on my screen and share my screen for you guys so you guys can see what's going on. All right, here we go. Are you guys seeing this? Okay, let me make it bigger so you guys could see it. Let me zoom it in so you guys could see it. All right, is that big enough? It's that big enough for you guys to see. Y'all see this? Miss AP. I'll check it. I'll ask her before we get off this live, and then I'll give you the information. Y'all, I need to change this. I had this job interview supposed to be going on at 3:15, but I don't know if I want to do it. But anyway, hey, Heal the Land, please. Champel. All right, y'all ready? Daddy Lolo. Hey, Daddy Lolo. Let's see who else is here. Asia. Hey, Asia. Trina. Hi, guys. Sorry if I'm not. Hey, Don. Hello. I'm sorry, guys. I was looking down. Hey, Nakia. Let's see. I'm trying to see everybody that's in here. Okay. All right. Let me tell Mr. Gucci. Hold on, y'all. Just 1 second. Just bear with me a second, guys. I'm live. I got some information I'm reading. Okay. All right, bye. That's Gucci fighting with Zuri. Someone, Zuri, can I have that computer? Oh, my God. Just a second, guys. We got 76 in the chat. Hit the likes button, please, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. Because I want to stay on too long and not be, I don't know if I want to do this interview. But anyway, let's go over this here. This is from the attorneys and the prosecutors setting a date for the for Robert's trial to begin in New York. Now, it says here, November 18, 2020, which is today, 2020. And it says here, Honorable Ann M. Donnelly, United States District Judge, United States District Court. United States versus Robert Sylvester Kelly, and it gives you a case number. It says, Dear Judge Donnelly, on behalf of all the parties in the above referenced case, the government respectively submit this letter in connection with the court's order dated November 12, 2020, to update the court on the proposed trial date and the schedule of completing jury questionnaire and via whatever. The parties proposed that the following schedule, okay, from March 15, 2021 to March 25th, 2021, distribution of juror questionnaire. And April 6, 2021, via or whatever that is. I don't know what that is. And then April 7, 2021 will be the trial commence. So that's when the trial shall begin, y'all. It's going to be on April 7th. So those who are planning to be in New York, let's get started with our travel plans. All those who are planning on being in the courthouse, All right, it says, the one little asterisk thing for one, it says March, assuming the court's assembly 60 prospective juror each day, with 30 prospective juror at a morning session and 30 prospective juror at the afternoon session. It would take 8.5 days for 500 jurors to receive and complete questionnaire. So they're going to do at least 500 jurors, send it out, the questionnaire to 500 jurors. Oh, okay. Then this is a placeholder date. The parties propose the opening statement and their trial testimony. Their trial testimony begins the morning and completion blah, blah, blah. So then, so it's actually going to start on the 6th then, guys. On the 6th. Okay, 6th of April. Remember that. Then it says the government further requests that the court exclude time between January 4th, 2021 and April 6th, 2021 from the speedy trial clock, which such an exclusion is warranted in the interest of justice in light of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Defendant counsel conflict with a proposed trial date of January 2021 and allowing the defendant adequate time to prepare for trial. The defendant has no objection to this request, and then it has the respective Seth Dumarch, whatever the name is. And then it said they send out to all the counsel on record. So that is what is being stated here, guys. So just get yourself prepared. Those who are planning on being in court, those who are planning on being there. This is what the judge is proposing is going to start on April 6th. Okay, April 6th. So anybody who's planning on being there, please start your preparation for your accommodation and things like that. Okay. We have 102 people in the chat. Can we get some likes up, please? Because you guys are sucking up my information, so you might as well just give me my due process of give me a like. So this is what we have here. Trial will begin on June 6th, 2021. 2021 is going to be a great year, y'all. 2020 was a mess, but 2021 is going to be a great year. That's what I am declaring. That's my declaration. 2021 is going to be a great year. But let me check something else out for you guys. Okay, somebody's coming in. Hold on. Oh, gosh. Is that you, Dom? You need to change that name. I'm not letting you in unless you change that name. Go and change that name. We're going to have some order in this place. And the picture, too. Change your picture. We're not playing those games. This is a strict. Thank you. Oh, now I'm going to let you in. Hey, Dom.
Yo, my bad. That was from the other day. That was from the other day. I apologize, man. But no, I wanted you to clarify. A couple people in the chat had said Phoenix Rising had asked if that was in the district court. She said, why is it district and not federal? And if I'm not mistaken, it is federal court. It's just the Eastern District. Is that correct?
It's a district. It is a district. It's the particular part, but it's the federal.
It's Eastern and Northern. Northern is the Bronx. Northern is the Bronx. Eastern is Manhattan, Brooklyn.
And then you have Southern too.
Right. That's right. It's 3 parts of New York.
Yeah.
Sylvia, I just want to say something. You remember I was telling you I'm holding off on my article for New York?
Yeah.
I'm definitely putting my article out in February. That way people can read up on this case. Since jury things going out in March, we need to keep the word out so people know the facts in these cases. So when it's time for these people to get their jury card, they will know, because I've been know he was going to trial in April, because I told you what.
We talked about it. We told them.
Hey, you know what though? That little sign we be having, man.
Yeah, we talked.
But hey, let me tell you though, if you're going to New York, you can't talking about going for 2 days. Rob trial gonna be at least a month.
About 3 weeks.
Yeah.
3 weeks. So if those people who don't have enough time, what I would do if I was you guys, those who don't have enough time, I would go like the first 2 days,
right
at the end, because then you get to hear the opening argument, then you hear the closing argument, and you hear the decision. That's what I would do if I was.
Yeah, we're going for the first 2 days, and we're gonna go when the defense.
I'm gonna be longer because I got family.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go.
I got family there. I'm gonna
go first. I'm gonna go first, but I'm gonna go when the defense take over, because the prosecution going first.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna wait for the defense. I'm probably gonna be there for the whole. I'm gonna stay for a week so me and my son can kick it, and but we got a lot of work to do. We got a lot of work to spread the words.
Yeah, guys, this is time for us to put in the work. This is now time for us not to do the game playing anymore. We got to have a strategy. We got to get out there. We got to let the world know what's going on. And we ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for
So this next rally that just planning, if you can go, the one the Boski planning, go. It's time that we show out in New York. All right. When we went with our rally at Sylvia, people was like, "What? He's still locked up?" So people now want to know what's going on.
Yeah.
So,
This is gonna be the trial of the century, really, guys. And we
yeah,
guys gotta go out there in full force. We really gotta let the world know what's happening, you know. And also get those letters out.
yeah,
Get those letters
yeah,
out. My letters to your congressman and things like that of, how the injustice of this man is going. Him not having the opportunity to be able to be let out, and everybody else is being let out. Real hardcore criminals are being let out. Hardcore
right.
criminals. And guys, we need to come together in coming up with some new chants. We can't use the old stuff anymore. 2020 is over with. Now we got to go do new stuff, and we got to focus on the injustice of him, of what he's going through. So those who are good with coming up with different chants, let's get some of those chants. Send me some of those chants that you guys have, so we can get that prepared and put some flyers and do some stuff. We gotta go hard, y'all.
Yes, we got to go hard.
Go ahead. Sorry.
No. I was just agreeing with you. We got to go hard. I'm not cutting you off. I was just like, yeah, we got to go hard. So whatever Sylvia said, I'm with it. If we can get some flyers, I can get them made out. We can get them put around in stores, stuff like that. Because now it's time for people to know the truth. Because I was thinking about that, Sylvia. I'm going to see how I can get a street team in New York to pass those flyers out. They got street team you can hire.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna call some people I know up there and find out and get around 10,000 of those doing Brooklyn, because majority of the jury is gonna be from Brooklyn, although they can be from anywhere. But
well, to answer you guys' question, somebody asked me, Sylvia, do you know the lawyer, the new lawyer? I cannot give that information now. Sorry.
I can tell you.
Bora. I cannot.
Hey, Bora, I'm glad she's in the chat. Bora, please call me. I need to talk to you. Call me when you get off, Sylvia. I need to talk to you. All right? Call me when you get off, Sylvia. Thanks.
Well, Bora, hey, you gonna put her in the phone too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll talk to you after the live. I'm supposed to be having an interview, y'all. Let me see.
Who are you?
Yeah, this agency called me, and I don't want to have a job interview right now.
You can't go to New York.
No, I'm going to New York. I don't care what they say. I'm gonna get a work from home job. I'm not playing with these people. I am not. I'm gonna be working from home.
So let's be ready for April. We already know it was April. Let's be ready for April. And I can guarantee you one thing: when April 1st come, they are going to rob and say, "Hey, take the plea right now. You got time serving. You go home. Watch." Watch. Them feds, all they care about is a conviction. That's why their conviction rate is 96%. They just care about a conviction. They do very sloppy works. But hey.
Yeah.
So, it's going to be all right.
Next question. I'm trying to see these questions these people have in here. Hold on. Let me see the questions. Okay. Daddy Lotus said he's ready. T Lazy said, okay, you're saying hi to each other. Hold on. Miss AP said hallelujah. Oh, Miss Phoenix Rising said, I have a question. Did anyone hear disposition of Russell Simmons case, which was thrown out because the statute of limitation ran out?
No.
Basically, the same charge as sexual assault doesn't apply to Robert.
Russell charge didn't get thrown out. New York just didn't find no cause, because I was looking into it. You remember when Russell told them, leave me the hell alone? People got to remember, Russell Simmons was one of the big dogs in New York. He's not going to get convicted in New York like that by no Oprah Winfrey and Gayle King. I remember when they tried that. I remember, Sylvia, I told y'all what Russell said. Before he go to jail, Oprah will be broke.
Yep, he said that.
Yeah, because remember, people, I'm the one was telling Rob the first time when this was coming on him, and I got that from Russell. Told him that Lifetime was going to do a documentary on him a year before they did it, and his managers didn't take it serious. So it's what it is, bad. What it is, people. Rob is the new money maker of the industry. People like Russell want to see Rob around, but the people on the other side, like that he had, are hold so much like Barry. Barry is in so much debt. That's why Barry want Rob to go to jail so he can get Rob master, believe it or not. But the thing is, Rob is strong. Just let's keep praying for Rob. What God bless, what God bless, nobody curse.
Amen.
Nobody.
Amen. All right, let me go to the next question. Amber Renee says, do you think because of COVID-19, they will let very limited people in or require some sort of pre-registration? The last time they did a pre-registration, so I think they're probably going to do a pre-registration again. So, and then they do have like, what do you call it, off, like, monitors that you're going to be able to go in different rooms and go, because they had like 2 rooms the last time, but it was packed on both rooms. So they probably have the upstairs in the courthouse and the one across from where he's going to be. And then because her courtroom is on the right hand side on floor number 4C, I think, the last time I was there. And then they had something across from there. But they are very, very strict. They're not as easy as Chicago. They're very, very strict in the amount of people they let in. And you are definitely not allowed to have your phone in there. Just like Chicago let you bring your phone upstairs, where they don't allow it at all. You have to sign it. Oh my God, these people in these calls. Hold on, y'all. Hold on.
Yes, baby.
I'm sorry, guys. Turn it down, Gucci.
Hold on, Sylvia.
Okay. So I was saying that Amber, as you were asking, I was saying that they're gonna have some sort of like, what do you call it when you have another room? I forgot what they call it. The
room. It's just a conference room.
No. It's not conference. It's actual courtrooms.
Right. I know it's just another one. I don't know what they call it.
They call it. Well, where you're able to look at it, the case on a monitor.
On a monitor, yeah.
So that's what.
Sylvia, I just sent you something to your phone. People, pay attention. Read this for me, Sylvia. Tonight is the NBA draft. Look what this daddy tell his son that's going to be number 1 or 2 pick. Read that, please. Let everybody hear that.
I don't have it. I don't have
it in the Facebook group. Sorry.
Okay.
This how you know people paying attention to what's going on. Oh my God.
This is what Gucci has just sent.
Read it.
Here. If you're in this profession.
Wait. Before you go any further, it's from LaBelle Ball telling his son Carmelo tonight he's going to be the number 1 or number 2 draft pick. So he's telling him this morning on ESPN. Go ahead, Sylvia.
If you're in this profession, you got all this fame and notoriety. How are you going to meet a good girl? You're not. So I hate to tell you, but you're going to meet a hoe. Just how it is, son.
It's in this business, entertainment and sport. You see how his daddy is telling him, be ready. You're gonna meet that chick. I wish somebody did tell Rob this. Woo!
Thank you, Lolo. It's the overflow room. Thank you, Lolo. I knew it was a word.
That's right. Hey, you see, Lolo, you in the pack. What are you doing?
Sorry, what you eating?
Eating. She drinking.
I know. I know she had food with it before then. Dory, what'd you eat?
Man,
I don't want to know about the drink. I want to know about the food.
why do she always got to be here when I'm on the phone with you? She told me the only way I could get the computer if she can come on.
She knows how to bargain. Okay.
Go.
Okay. So, all right. Let's see. Okay. So that is basically what happened to Dom. He disappeared.
The AT&T phone ain't working.
Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna read it to those who are just coming in because we have 151 in the chat.
Hey, Miss P.
We started out 50 something people when I originally came on, but let me go back and read this for those who have not gotten the information. I am going to share the screen right now so you guys can see what I'm reading. Let's go back here. Just bear with me a second as I pull it up. Oh, somebody fell.
Get away! Oh my God! Let me put you on mute.
Zuri is being Miss Sexy. That's what what's they calls it when somebody belts.
Oh my God! That is...
Nakia said that's sexy.
Huh?
Nakia said, Nakia, I'm telling on you.
I ain't never heard a sexy burp.
Nakia said that's sexy. All right, y'all ready? Let me read this. Let me move Gucci's face from here. Okay, there we go. So you guys can see this. All right. Now this is for this is both the prosecutor and the attorneys with their joint letter giving the judge the prospective date for trial and also for the jury selection. Okay, here it goes. It says November 18th, 2020 by ECF. And it says the Honorable Ann M. Donnelly, United States District Judge, United States District Court, Eastern District of New York, and gives the address and all that. And it says United States versus Robert Sylvester Kelly. Criminal docket number 19-286S3, which is a third superseding indictment. It says, Dear Judge Donnelly, on behalf of all the parties in the above referenced case, the government respectively submit this letter in connection with the court's order dated November 12, 2020, to update the court on the proposed trial date and the schedule of completing juror questionnaire and voir dire. The parties propose the following schedule: March 15, 2020 to March 25th, 2021. I said 2020. Sorry, 2021. And March 25th, 2021, distribution of juror questionnaires. April 6, 2021, the voir dire. April 7th, 2021, trial commences. And it says 1, which is the part of 1 up here from March 25th, 2021. It says, assuming the court the court assembles 60 prospective jurors each day, with 30 prospective jurors at a morning session and 30 prospective jurors at an afternoon session. It would take 8.5 days for 500 jurors to receive and complete questionnaires. 2, this placeholder date, the parties propose that opening statement and trial testimony begin the morning of completion of voir dire. The government further requests that the court exclude time between January 4th, 2021 and April 6, 2021 for the speedy trial clock. Such an exclusion is warranted in the interest of justice in light of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, defense counsel's conflict with a proposed date in January 2021 to allow the allow the defense adequate time to prepare for trial. The defense has no objection to this request. This is respectfully submitted by Seth D. Ducharme, acting United States attorney, and Elizabeth Getty, Nadia Shah. I don't know how to say these people's name. I'm not going to even butcher that lady's name like that. But that's what I'm going to do. Sorry, guys. I didn't want to butcher that woman's name. No. You asked, Infamous Sylvia and his lawyers still haven't been able to meet with him. No, they have not. That is correct. Lolo, Daddy Lolo, that is absolutely correct. They have not had the time to meet with him, and they have not been able to really give him the information based on individuals who have spoken to him. He has not spoken to his attorneys in a while. Okay. That when they turn over their evidence, I don't know when they're going to turn over all the evidence, because to my understanding, they don't have everything prepared. They don't have everything ready. That's my understanding.
And it's about to get worse because, you know, New York about to shut a lot of stuff down. So I don't know how, but the thing.
She
what
says
I was
I'm
about
blurry.
to tell
What
Sylvia,
is going on here? Why am I always blurry now?
you need to clean your camera lens.
Look, my camera is the whole thing is blurry. Stop.
Hey, but you saw that thing that said acting U.S. attorney, right?
Yeah, it's been there. He's been acting for a while.
I know, but what I'm saying is, he may be acting right now because, you know, when a president comes, they can change a lot of U.S. attorney. You know that, right?
No, but he's been acting for a while.
I know, no, I know. He's been acting for the last 4 years. That's what I'm saying. No, he's the attorney, but you know that he can be changed. You never know. A lot of these attorneys gonna be changed when Biden take over. A lot of them U.S. attorneys, they change them out like you change underwear.
Yeah.
I hope he. You know what though? He's not gonna change Ann Danley because Obama appointed her. He's not going to change.
Heal the Land just said they just shut down the school.
Yep. My son told me that, and that's why he told me January we don't need to come to New York because they said December and January are going to be bad with COVID.
So we might have to change the date, Daddy Lolo, for the rally.
Yeah.
Look, gonna have to change the date.
Yeah, because they said New York is getting bad again. I'm like, Brooklyn. They said Brooklyn, Sylvia, you probably got to look it up. They said it's hitting so hard.
But when I talk to my mama, nothing's going wrong.
Okay. No, I was looking at this CNN.
You know how some people are. They always see the glass half full. They don't ever see it half empty.
Yeah, because CNN said New York is preparing, and a couple more big city is preparing. But where are you at? Huh?
Not Georgia.
I'm trying to figure why. And y'all got the damn thing.
Let me tell you something. Georgia is never in compliance. I go to the store, people still don't have on masks, y'all.
Wait, did you see on the news what happened to Mississippi?
No, what happened?
Oh, baby, Mississippi, they do it like Georgia. They got a Republican governor, and he told the people not to wear the mask. Over the last month, they've been the fastest rising city in the whole South. They're doing 500 and up a day.
Wow.
Yes. Tennessee's warning people not to go to Mississippi.
Look, Bora says she patiently waiting for the prosecution fumble.
I'm with you, Bora. They're going to fumble. I'm with you. I'm with you so much.
Happy work, whatever is best. Yeah, Daddy Lolo said whatever's best. So, guys, we're gonna have to come together and figure out when we're gonna do this because January is not gonna be good.
What we do, let's because if they're closing the school, if they're gonna shut down school tomorrow, that means it's getting kind of bad. So, what are they gonna? What we need to do? Watch it and see what it do after Thanksgiving.
Okay, it says here when you come to New York, you have to test negative.
Yeah, I heard that. I heard that they're doing it at the airport too. I heard. CNN was saying that the governor is gonna start that when you come. I'm like, what the hell?
What are they gonna do? Turn people around? Well, they gotta take people before they get to the where the destination is. So they gotta check it in the original destination. I mean, original.
I'm driving.
Okay. Amber said, "What newspaper are you gonna write the article in?"
New York Post. That's the #1 in New York. New York Post.
New York Post. Okay. Didn't Just Jazz write a report thing?
Well, we know it's not the New York Post because they ain't gonna pay no $5,000.
So it's 5,000.
5,000 for a full page. I want a full page. It's 51. And let me tell you the exact price because I got it in my head. $5,194 for a full page article in the New York Post for one freaking day. But it reached over 50 million people. They do it online and they do it paper in your hand.
Okay, Phoenix Rising said maybe the march should be in the rally should be in March. That's a very good idea.
That's a good idea.
That's an excellent idea, Phoenix. The reason why I say it's excellent because that's when the drawers are supposed to be questionnaire. So it would be wonderful if we push it out there during that time because it will be in the memory of the people. Yeah.
The 1st of April will be perfect.
Daddy Lolo said he is not going to do that 12-hour ride again.
Hey, the first of April of March is on a Monday. That is perfect.
It's on a Monday. Okay, 1st of April? No, we're not. She said March.
March. I would say the 1st of March is on a Monday because they're picking they're sending out the Jewish stuff on the 6th.
No, 15th, Gucci. What? Okay, y'all. Gucci has reading comprehension problems.
Well, we need to be the first week.
Let me bring it back up so he can see what.
Yeah, read. My glasses was
God, y'all.
Your screen was dirty. Your screen was blurry.
Is it still blurry, guys?
See, now my glass look blurry and shit. I mean, on stuff. Let me clean my glass. You're blurry.
That mouth of yours, young man.
It's hard to change it. It's been 50 years.
Yeah, it's 50 years. It's time for change. You know that, right?
All right. So March 1st is on a Monday. So
what are you talking about?
To do a rally. We got to do a rally in the midweek. Can't do a rally on weekend. People don't come out of the house in New York. But now, Sylvia, you know March snow a lot in New York too, right?
I'm just hoping there's no snow. Stop thinking bad stuff.
Hey, this New York got the weirdest weather in the world. Because I remember April snow one year. So, shoot.
Okay, here it is right here. Here's the dates right here, okay? March 15th to March 25th.
Okay. So,
Gucci, you and your, let me take Amber's.
All right. No, your screen was blurry.
Dude, stop.
You dig me. Thank you, baby. Her screen was blurry.
What did Sharon say? Sharon said they aren't doing nothing. They are just putting dates out there so they won't get dismissed.
Thank you. That's what I said too, Sharon. That's what I said. Ain't nothing gonna happen.
Oh, okay, Sharon. Okay, got you.
Ain't nothing gonna happen, Sharon.
Because if they don't do it, they'll end up getting it dismissed. Okay,
Yeah, he can file violation of Speedy Trial Act.
Sharon is her name, not Sharon. Sharon, okay?
Put that. Let me shut up. I'm behaving myself.
Hey, AD.
Hey, D. I want to order me a pie, AD. I'm going to call you later. I want to order a peach cobbler, a juicy one.
Daddy Lolo said, check your message, millionaire.
Who?
Not you.
I was going to say, who the hell when I get that name? Hey, can you take that off the screen so I see your face?
Nobody want to see your face.
I want to see that. I want to say hello to the ladies. Hello, ladies.
Good to you digging me? Say, are you on a diet?
Yes, you dig me. I've not. I start eat 3 small meal a day. You notice you don't hear me eating at night no more.
Listen, read this. Sharon said they're hoping to plead out. These dates are put out so the case doesn't get dismissed and they can't have an indefinite. His 6th Amendment right is violated. Okay. Awesome.
Sylvia, you heard what I just said. The day when that trial before it's supposed to start, they're gonna go say, Rob, we give you time served for this 2 years if you plead out right now. That's what the feds do. The feds only care about a conviction. They don't care about nothing. That's why they are 96% conviction rate. That's it.
You hear what? Look what you digging me just said.
The only thing you lose is your
YouTube.
My white
YouTube woman.
Baby, you ain't going nowhere, and you ain't Hey, you dig me? How you doing? How you doing? Let me stop, because people probably saying, why this boy always being an ass? So we got, so March would be a perfect time to do that rally, and it give me a chance to go to New York anyway again. So what are we talking about today? Because Sylvia's so quiet.
No, I just came on to really give them the information and update on what was going on as far as the trial date. So trial is tentatively set for April 6th, but according to Sharon, most likely there will probably not be a trial during that time.
I've been saying that. Saying no trial. Rob gonna get 2 years.
Why you gotta try to get the credit for everything?
Let me get credit.
Let me get Sharon the credit. Let Sharon get the credit.
Stop that.
Sharon, don't give her no credit, Sharon.
I don't want no credit. I don't. That's one thing I know about is that federal system, because I got too many cousins that went through it. And baby, they're gonna want him to plead. The day before trial, the thing is, the feds is cheap. They don't want to spend all that money on no case like Rob case anyway.
Look at this.
AD, baby, look here. Look here. Whenever you're ready to party, put it on the table. All right?
Not in here.
Not in this channel. We got the beautiful. Hey, back over there. Hey, Alice. Hey, Ron. So.
No, that's Dallas over here now.
Oh, hey, Dallas. Where's she at?
She just went out.
Oh, Dallas don't stay still.
Oh, hey. Yeah, definitely. Daddy Lolo says he hopes the church is open when we get there so we can attend. Absolutely. That would be awesome, Daddy Lolo, for us church there.
That would be great. So bring y'all church clothes.
Miss AD, trust me, I've seen what was going on the other night. I just stay quiet in the bushes. I saw what was going on the other night, young lady.
Yes.
Young lady, we need to talk. Let me stop.
No, you don't need to talk. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. AD, don't get that influence. Be you. Be you, baby. Put them on the glass. So, what you eating for dinner today, Sylvia?
I'm not too sure yet. I'm waiting for Dallas to cook. She's cooking today.
Oh, you dig me? What you eating for dinner today? I want to know what everybody eating for
I
dinner.
really need to go get my nails done. That's what I need to do. Look at my
You need to
nails.
get that ugly nail off the screen.
My nails, look at it. It's all jacked up.
I know. Get it off the screen. They're gonna talk about you got jacked up nails next.
I really don't care, but I'm gonna go get it done. The only thing it's lazy of going. I don't want to go out, but I gotta go out.
I know you don't want to go out because I don't.
Hey, what? Juicy love.
A lizard crawled in my playroom.
Okay. Girl, I don't
Yes, there is. There's a lizard. It's a.
Can't hear you. Can't hear you.
She talking.
You got
ain't no lizard. She made something about a lizard crawl in her playroom.
It's a real lizard.
What? It's 22 degrees over there in Michigan? Oh my God! You can keep it. We don't want it over here.
Hey, keep it. It's 68 degrees here. Keep it where you at. Wait a minute.
It's a cute lizard. It's a lizard.
Girl, ain't no lizard.
Yes, there is. It's a lizard. I think it's a lizard pissy.
Say hello to him.
Sorry, it's gonna eat you up. The lizard's gonna eat you up.
Girl, look at Zuri here, stand all over the place. She just, I'm like.
Zuri like to have to be free, right, Zuri?
I killed the lizard.
No, you being a murderer now?
Give me some water out of the fridge, please. Put in the cup. Right there. Just rinse it out and hit it.
Diane says she has grilled chicken salad and baked sweet potato.
Ooh, so okay. That's a good idea. I'm trying to figure what I want. This what I was thinking about first. I was going to do Cajun shrimp with some loaded baked potato and broccoli.
Awesome. Sounds so good. Cajun shrimp. You gonna make me some, Gucci?
Yeah, you know that.
I'm going to go find a rat this time.
So.
Okay, look at what Bora Bora said. Okay, Bora Bora, I gotta go back on what Bora Bora said. Okay, where is she? Bora Bora said, she said, I know for a fact Illinois can't afford the trial. They are begging for bailout now from Congress. What?
That's right. Yes.
What?
That's why Rob watch. Illinois is not gonna. She's so right. Right now, Sylvia, the biggest problem right now, COVID put a lot of these states in debt because they got to do all this unemployment. They not. Rob do 2 years, they're going to say, look, we'll give you this time served.
Mm-hmm.
Watch. Bora, you so right, sweetie.
Bora Bora be on it now. She be on it, on it.
Man, Bora is on her.
They be on it.
Yes, because you see the thing with people, man. When you see the injustice, you're really worried about that. Could have been my family. Shoot, I know how it is. I had a cousin that went to Jamaica and said he's the leader of a gang in America, and he never been to America. So what the hell? So I know how it is.
Guys, guess what I have a taste for? I got a taste for ice cream and cake.
Hey, no, ice cream and peach cobbler.
And I'm going to go get it too. After I get off this live, I'm going to go get my ice cream and cake. I promise you guys. I promise you.
Butter pecan. Oh. And some donuts.
Donuts?
I'm going to see if Krispy Kreme put the lights hot.
Oh. You know what? That's a diabetes waiting to happen. That's Rexstar. What is it? Rexstar?
Hey, sorry, get this thing out my face.
Rexstar.
Look at this damn donut. It's this damn
It
down.
moved by itself? Ooh.
Yeah, oh yeah. You said I wanted to do a lot of crap by itself. Yes.
And she got a remote controlling him. Look at her.
Yeah.
Look, oh, look. Oh. Does he bite?
It would do this, but it don't hurt.
Oh, look. AD's making some peach cobbler tomorrow. Could she mail it to me?
Yes, AD. I need my peach cobbler. I will send you the address.
Lottie, let's be bad together.
Hey, Lottie, me too, darling. To be exact, if y'all get some, I'm coming to Atlanta for mine.
Daddy Lolo, yep, 3. My apartment cut.
Jory, you and that thing go somewhere.
Oh, look. Princess Diana says, Sylvie says, oh yes, some real velvet cake. Oh, no, I don't like real velvet cake. I don't like
Diane, I haven't eaten rock and roll.
Give me regular cake, no red velvet.
Oh, hey, some pound cake. Oh,
yes, some pound cake with some ice cream, vanilla bean ice cream.
Y'all quit being fat. Y'all quit being fat. I'm trying to lose weight.
She cracking up. Zuri's cracking up. Okay. Is the motion out? What motion are you looking for? The one for Don Russell? I can go look at that for y'all if y'all want me to. Do you want me to? Do you really, really want me to? Which one? Oh, you want it on Don? Okay, you want me to go look? Okay, I'll go look. Okay. Here's the thing. You don't like, let me tell you something. When I heard they put vinegar in that cake, that's when I was like, oh no, I don't want that cake. No. They say they put vinegar in it, and I don't want a cake that has vinegar.
Oh, I want some Jamaican rum cake. Oh. I'm gonna call my auntie and see if my auntie will mail me
the black one.
Yes.
Ooh.
And they soak the fruits in rum.
Yes. Okay, let's stop. But it is good. It is good. But let me go look up the
Stop! I can't hear.
Let me go look. Anybody got the case number with them right now? So I don't have to go through my whole file to look for the case number. Anybody got that case number? I gotta go look in here. Hold on. Let me go get the case number because these folks don't have the information. They want me to look it up. Gucci, talk to them while I take care of this and do this. Don Russell.
I was about to go get me some water and come right back. Cause you dig me, tell me I gotta drink a lot of water.
Why? What song?
Nothing. Cause I'm trying to lose weight for the Florida trip so I can be on the beach in my Speedo. Yeah, right. I think in March, Miami gonna be better. Gonna be warm. Where's this girl coming to now? Gosh.
That girl just like off the chain. Off the chain. Hold on, y'all. I'm looking for them.
I don't know why she got out of school so early. They let her out of school today early because she got her
harass daddy.
Huh?
It's called to harass dad.
Yes. Nah, they're doing it because now they expect me to take them out because Tay got all A and 1 B. But did you see what I told you? You got a B in and an A in. You got a B in English, but got an A in Russian. How the hell you got an A in Russian? So he got 6 A's on 1 B. This little one got all A's, so they think they can drive me crazy. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Girl, get off. Go get me a pear out of the fridge.
All right, I was trying to get the cases numbers for y'all so I could look it up. Just bear with me, guys. Just bear with me while I pull it up. Gucci, you still there? I tell Gucci to talk to you guys while I look this up, and he is not even doing it. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, whoever that was that sent it to me. Thank you. You make my life a little bit easier now. Thank you. You still typing? Gucci's still not. Where is Gucci? Hold on a second, guys. I am still pulling up the information for you guys. I didn't take a look at them because I was not really interested in it, but we'll look it up for you guys' sake, okay? 20 CR 2.
I'm okay. But you keep the horse. Cat! I'm not.
You're making too much noise over there.
Sugar, I can't stand grapes with seed. Oh.
Ma'am. Miss Zuri, you're making too much noise.
Zuri, Sylvia said make too much noise.
Zuri, you heard me. You're making too much noise, young lady.
I'm trying to figure why is she right here.
She doesn't see everything. Hold on a second.
Huh? She says she everywhere.
She's like the.
I'm waiting for the draft. My friend that live in Memphis, his son may be number 2 or 3 pick, the Wiseman. So I'm going to a draft party at his house. Yeah, Memphis having a big draft party today.
All right, let me look at this case first.
I'm going to chat, go talk to people. I can't see my chat.
I'm going to my room.
Okay, go to your room. Why you keep walking around in a circle?
I'm going to my room. Yeah, I'm not going in circles. I'm a clone.
Okay, there was an order filed on the 16th. Didn't you guys see that order already? Okay, there is something. Didn't y'all guys see this last week?
See what?
This order that was filed for.
Bye.
Okay, I can read that off for y'all. Hold on, let me save this.
I'm going to that room.
Okay, that's Don Russell's thing. Hold on. Then I am going to pull up the other thing here for you. All right, let me go pull up the next one here. All right, this is the M20 dash MJ dash 0239. This is here. Okay, let's see.
You dig me is a ass. I'm eating grapes. She gonna ask me what I'm sucking on.
Oh,
I'm eating some grapes. You dig me? Some red, big grapes that got seed, and they really making me mad because I don't like seeds in my grape.
all right. Online, the last thing was back in November. Motion to modify condition release. That's the last thing they have for our line. Was motion to modify his release. I'm gonna read that to you guys too. Save as. That was on the 3rd. Let's do this one. All right. You digging me? Let me see what else. MJ. That mag number is no longer in existence. They closed that mag number out. They have a different number for Mr. Russell. Gotta go back. Can you stop that noise, sir?
Yeah, I was trying to sing. Hater.
I'm not hating.
Oh yes, my. Where's Rhonda? Rhonda must be sleeping.
Probably. Just bear with me, guys. I'm just saving them, and then so I can open them up for you guys. Just bear with me a second.
Daddy Logo. What you been up to? I can't see, so I gotta get my phone. My phone went dead. I'm going to chat.
Don't go in the chat. Okay. They removed this one here. I don't know where it's at. Seal. Okay. I do not see Michael's. Somebody's gonna have to give me a different number because Michael's is not coming up. It said the seals closed up. But let me go in and pull up Don Russell. Oh, you meant Michael Avenatti? That's who I want? Fool.
He gonna be singing like a bird when California sentenced him, because New York gonna hit him hard.
Wait a minute, California is where he is.
He's at now because remember New York found him guilty, and he was waiting on Cali.
No, he's sentenced in. He's waiting for the sentence in New York too.
Right.
He's gonna go
to trial in Cali.
Yeah. All right, y'all ready? Let's go read. Hold on a second. I got another message. Hold on. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I need the other one for okay. Okay, let me go get it. Sorry. My my wonderful person is sending me the information, and I have people in the background sending me things. 20 CR 395. I got it. All right, here we go. We're in the inquiry. That is William. Let's see the docket number. Oh, no. I gotta go back. No. I want the history, but I have to go individually. All right, I'm talking to myself out loud. Okay, I do have the order for okay, we got his Michael Williams, that is. Okay, we got the two orders. Gucci, you still there? Did Gucci leave me, y'all? Okay, I'm just putting the date in. Okay, now I can show it to you guys. I like to save it so you guys can see it. All right, now I can close this out. All right, y'all ready? He did leave me, y'all. Where's his butt at? Gucci. All right, guys, he left me. All right, let's go and do this here. You want to look at our line first or our line? The last thing they put in here was back in November 3rd. So we're going to take a look at our line. All right. All right, let's see. My throat itching. All right, this is our line. He had a letter for permission to travel. This is what they request for modification and a change in his release agreement. And this letter is coming from his attorney. Let's get this off of here. All right, here we go. This is from Cesar de Castro. This is his attorney. His attorney is requesting for some changes in his release. So it says here, let me get myself out the way. Hold on, I am out the way. It says here on November 3rd, 2020, via ECF, the Honorable Steve M. Gold, U.S. Magistrate Judge, United States Courthouse, Eastern District of New York, and you got all the address and all that. This is U.S. versus our line. We got the case number. It says, Dear Judge Gold, I represent Richard Arline in the above referenced matter. I write to respectively request a modification to Mr. Arline's bond in order to permit him to travel within the state of Indiana. Mr. Arline current personal reconnaissance bond restrict his travel to the Northern District of Illinois, New York City, and Long Island, New York. Mr. Arline lives in Illinois, very close to Illinois-Indiana border. The modification of his bail condition would allow him to travel to and from Indiana for routine activities such as food shopping, doctor's visit, and obtain gas for his car. I have conferred with Assistant United States Attorney Elizabeth Geddes and Chicago Pretrial Services Officer Theodore McJoint, who have advised me that they do not object to this request. Thank you for your attention to this matter, respectively submitted Cesar de Castro. I'm sorry, Castro. I say Costa. I don't know why I say Costa, but Castro. But that is his letter that was written to the judge, and it looks like the judge did permit him to have his bond release modified. So that is that part. Okay, now let's go to Michael Williams. Let's close this one out. Gucci, you can speak now. Forever hold your peace.
That lawyer, that dude, that's a good lawyer. I know of him. You got a good lawyer.
You know of him?
I know of him. I know of him.
All right, now we're gonna go into Mr. Michael Williams' letter. Y'all ready? All right, let's go. In this case here, let me bigger.
Yes, thank you.
I'm gonna smack Gucci in the head. Okay. I'm gonna smack Gucci in the head.
Damn.
Okay.
He's in Andanley Court too?
Yeah, they transferred his case to Ann Donnelly. Okay.
Oh Lord.
His and Don Russell has been transferred to Ann Donnelly.
Oh Lord.
Ann Donnelly, it says United States versus Michael Williams, defendant, and then the case number and all that. It says Ann Donnelly, United States judge, district judge. This order is entered pursuant to Federal Rule Criminal Procedures 5F to confirm the prosecution disclosure obligation under the Brady and Maryland 3732 U.S. 83-1963, and it's prodigy.
Progeny.
Progeny. Okay. All right. See, I getting tongue-tied all of a sudden. I can't read. Prodigy. And to summarize the possible consequences of violence. What is going on? Why I hear myself?
You're supposed to get two stuff. Huh?
What are you doing? I hear myself.
I know it's not me.
You sure it's not you? Okay. Impossible consequences of violating those obligations. The prosecution must disclose to the defendant all information favorable to an accused. And that is material either to guilty or to punishment. And that is known to the prosecution. ID 8 at 87. The obligation applies regardless of whether the information would itself constitute admissible evidence. The prosecutor shall disclose such information to the defendants promptly after its existence becomes known to the prosecution, and to that the defendant may make effective use of the information in preparation of his case. The prosecution must also disclose any information that can be used to impeach the trial testimony of prosecution witness within the. You know what? Why Rob don't have this in his case?
Wait. You see how good this damn attorney put this shit together? That's why. This attorney ain't playing.
This is not the attorney.
Who you think put this together? To give to Ann Donnelly.
That's Ann Donnelly saying that.
So why is Ann Donnelly? So why Ann Donnelly don't say these things to Rob?
Let's see. I need to go check Rob's thing, see if it's in there. Because this is
something.
Wait. That means Rob should have it in his file too. Let me go check Rob's file.
So Ann Donnelly is telling the prosecutor they got to give the defense all this stuff. So Rob should have this in his file.
What do I say? Alita says it's due to the new law. So that means Robert should have this in his thing too. Because they put it in, hold on, y'all. They did this on the 16th to Michael's, and they need to do it for Roberts too. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let's see.
I'm sure the new attorney on it.
Let's see. They have to do it for Robert because his. Okay, y'all, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Wait a minute. We're gonna go to Robert's case and see if Robert's case, because they have it that same letter in for what's the name too. Y'all, the letter's not in Robert's file. It's not in there for Robert, y'all.
Send me that letter. I'm gonna send it to somebody so they look at it. Yeah.
Why isn't it in there for Rob? Why isn't that in there for Robert? Okay, but it's in there for Don Russell. The same letter's in there for Don Russell, y'all.
Because I'm sure their lawyer sent something to Aunt Danley for her to answer that. To send to the prosecutor.
No, the judge, they didn't put it in there. She put it in there herself. It's not done by the attorneys. I'm looking at the file now. There's nothing that would Roberts don't have this, but Don Russell does. Hold on, let me show you guys. Hold on. Don Russell has the same letter in his thing. See, watch. Look, same letter. See, Don Russell. Look, the Brady and Maryland versus Maryland. Look.
Yep.
Look, it's in here. The specific term and condition of production, grant a continuance, impose an evidentiary sanctuary, impose sanctuary to lawyer. Okay, let me see and dismiss charge before trial and vacate the vet. What? Yeah. Somebody need to answer this question.
Let me answer it.
It took effect on 10/23, so that means that it should apply to Rob too. This should apply to Robert because his case still has not gone to.
It's such a sunny day. We'll get my car washed. Shit. Hey man, are you gonna leave us here and talking about? Let me get my phone so I can talk to the chat. Yes, Chrissy, it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna jump in probably my truck and ride to Midtown, get it washed. Are you at work?
Okay. Where's Bora? Bora, can you answer this question for me? Where's she at? Bora Bora.
Like she gonna say, yes, Sylvia.
Hold on, let me call her. Hold on.
What's the question?
You don't know?
You don't know?
Okay, why don't Robert thing have that law thing in there?
Because he ain't got another lawyer yet. So she ain't gonna
That
wait
ain't
till
got nothing to do with the lawyer. Ain't got. Well, what about Steve? Why they haven't said anything about it?
because Steve ain't New York. He's not a New York lawyer.
Okay, what about the other lawyer that's in New York? Why they not doing anything about? Why they
They waiting on him to sign the jacket. I'm
still,
serious.
it's still a violation of his rights too.
Nah, she got it somewhere around the corner for him waiting. I'm sure.
She need to get it up there on his thing too. That needs to be part of his. Let me call.
Because the thing with the new lawyer, you're not gonna know that you have a new lawyer until he signed the jacket. That means when they go to court, Doug is gonna step to the side and say, "I'm no longer the lead attorney, or no longer the attorney in file," and the new lawyer is gonna sign the jacket, and they're gonna go from there. Oh, you're in Wolf River.
What you doing?
No, I ain't doing nothing.
What you doing?
You're bored. How the heck you bored?
I'm bored.
How about you take a nap? That's something good to do.
It's boring. Boring.
Ma'am, you're making too much noise on my live.
Take over. Say hello, everybody. What's happening, people?
Everybody.
Play with me.
Play with you.
Sorry, I need you to take over my chat for a minute because I need to look at something.
Hey, what's up, people? How's y'all's day? Come on, let's talk.
Play with me.
Girl, look. Quit being a big baby.
Hey, cut that noise out.
People can't hear you. Ouch. Look, let me put you on mute so nobody can hear you.
Too much noise. Too loud. Zuri, too loud.
Say hey, Daddy Lolo. Say hello. Say hey, Sylvia. What's up? Sure. Stop acting like a. Oh, now you're a baby.
Play with me.
I'm gonna lock you up in your room.
Play with me.
Stop like that.
Can you play with me?
People, this what happens when you got a spoiled little kid. Okay?
I'm not spoiled.
Oh God, Sylvia. Yes, Red Bunny. She is so silly. Oh my God. Look.
Okay, y'all. Okay, what we're gonna do, guys? I'm a little bit confused why that's not in Robert's file, but it's in other people, and it's basically telling them that if they're in violation, it says the prosecutor must disclose to the defendant all information favorable to an accused that is material either to guilt or to punishment, and there's known that means everything that the prosecution has they need to give it to Robert, and they have not done so. So they are in violation of that law, but they need to put that into his file. So I don't understand why they have not done that. Hey, Bird. Exactly. Exactly. So why is it not? Why don't they have that in his case? That's interesting. So what I did is just send it to someone to find out from the attorney why they have not imposed that.
That's why I said send it to me.
I just sent it to. Oh, you want it sent to you too?
Yeah, I'll send it over.
Okay, I got somebody working on the other one to send it to Steve, but
okay.
Let me send this to you so you can send it to your person, the other person that's working. You should have asked me to send it to you when I sent the person.
I did. I said send it to me. Everybody in the chat, didn't y'all hear me say send it to me? Thank you.
Who there trying to be on your side?
You ain't got to worry about who trying to be on my side.
Whatever it is, I'm gonna block them.
You dig me? Oh, so you gonna say no, boy? You dig me? You said no, Daddy Lolo. Thank you, cause I did.
I'm about to block Daddy Lolo now.
Lolo, I said send it to me. Look, Christy said it. Look, everybody's saying it.
No, Alethea. She says it not. Okay, that's Alethea is not talking about that. Okay. Christy, love, you getting blocked. Daddy Lola, you getting blocked. All of y'all getting blocked. Y'all said yes to him. Y'all getting blocked. All the ones that stay no, they stay in their spot. They cool.
Whatever.
Christy, don't worry. I'm not gonna see your messages no more.
Oh, so Cynthia, I did say yes. I said send it to me. That's the first thing she reading and said, why wasn't he robbed? I
said something, you evil.
Okay. Yes, I'm with you. No. Diane, she is.
No,
evil thing.
Hey.
Right. And then Sylvia, that could be a thing too.
I said it was a fake me. That was He said it wasn't me. That was a fake one.
Hey, but you saw what what's the name said. She said they could have it. It's just not updated yet. You know that?
No. The letter's in there that they just did today for them to have a joint. So don't give me that excuse. Don't give me that excuse. Don't be trying to give me an excuse now. That letter for them to have the date for the trial is in there, and it's dated what? November 18th. They letter shows November 16th. So don't give me that kakalaki, okay? All right.
Wait. When did you block Princess Diane? The other night? Princess Di.
No. See what had happened, right?
Yes, let me hear.
I was in Kevin's, was it Kevin or Dubowski? I think it was Dubowski's live. And I put a comment on myself and I wanted to remove my comment. But when I was getting ready to remove my comment, it jumped down to hers and it removed her comment. So that's what so I didn't block her. I just deleted her message.
You dig me? Say, what kind of letter is it? That's the letter from the judge to the prosecutor to turn over evidence.
No, this.
Yeah, that's what the letter is.
Yeah, y'all want to see it again? Oh, I didn't read it, huh? I didn't read the whole thing because I got like caught up in it. Okay, let me.
What's up, Don K?
Let me go. Let me read the letter so it could be so we could be on task. You know, let me read this letter. I'm tired of reading now. I can't. All my readers are just disappear on me. Dom's not here. Randa's not here, and
You dig me? Won't come in the chat.
What language is that, Alicia?
I know.
Alicia, are you? Is this a
Spanish? Mama G.
You speak Italian? Spanish?
Yeah.
Or what?
The camera.
I like Italian. I don't know what that is.
The
Mark Burley. No, I did not block you. You're not blocked. I can see you. If you were blocked, I wouldn't be able to see you.
oh, I just need Sylvia, I need a getaway so bad. Just
What happened is what I was reading. I read the court date. No, come on now. Why do I get all these calls? Hold on, Gucci. Gucci, watch the people. Watch the children.
all right, Chacha, this what happened. When she was reading Don Russell and Mike, she saw that the judge have a letter in there to send to the prosecutor to hand over all evidence against and for the defendants, right? You know, and then she noticed it's not in Rob's case, but it was a new thing in New York that kicked in the end of October. Wait, what was that? October, yeah. So we're assuming that they didn't get it yet, but Sylvia don't want to hear that crap. So she's like, yeah.
No, because it's dated the 16th of November on both of theirs, on Don Russell as well as Michael Arline. I mean, not Michael.
Well,
Michael.
They, you know, they got it. They just not in there.
No, how is that?
Because the new lawyer ain't come on board yet.
They ain't got nothing to do with the lawyer. This is a
I know,
judge.
but who they gonna send it? Who they gonna send it to?
Stop.
But who they gonna send the evidence to?
That means she's in violation of Robert's constitutional Sixth Amendment right. Yes, it is.
Who they gonna send it to if Doug is not on the case, Sylvia? Think about that.
There's the other guy. Don't try. Don't
There's
even.
nobody else in New York. This guy is taking over everything. Him and his team.
Tom is still there. His name is still there. Didn't say terminated for Tom.
Yeah, but Tom was just a sidekick.
He's not a sidekick. Because he was in there for the appeals court. So stop.
No, and he surely couldn't talk.
Gucci, stop.
I'm not lying. I'm sorry. Tom, damn. Hey, cha.
All right, here we go, y'all. I'm gonna make it bigger so you guys can see.
Thank you. Ooh.
All right, here's the letter. I'm gonna read it now since I can't get no help around here. Yeah, the president signed off on it. Thank you, Alita. She's the only one that helping me out with this thing here because Gucci is no good.
I'm trying to give you faith and courage. Faith.
All right, I'm gonna read it to you guys so you guys can get it. Hold on. Stop laughing at him, Cha-Cha.
Hey, Cha-Cha, baby.
All right, y'all ready? It says that, you know the name. Okay. It says, this order is entered in pursuant of federal rule of criminal procedures 5F to confirm the prosecution disclosure obligation under the Brady versus Maryland 373 U.S. 83, 1963. And it's, how to say that word again? Progeny, whatever. Progeny. To summarize the possible consequences of violating those obligations, y'all. The prosecution must, here's the big word, must disclose all the defense information favorable to an accused, that is material, either to guilt or to punishment, and that is known to the prosecution, right? And it says this obligation applies regardless of whether the information would itself constitute as admissible evidence. The prosecution shall disclose such information to the defense promptly. Here's a big word. Promptly. After its existence become known to the prosecution. So all those damn tapes and videos and all that kind of stuff that they claim they have on Robert, the defense should have that by now, promptly. Not 10 days later, not 5 days later, but promptly. Okay, after his existence become known. So remember, the prosecution back in January said that they had all these tapes on Robert. Y'all remember? Gucci? You remember the prosecution said they had all these tapes and evidence, 100 devices? Why haven't those devices been submitted to Robert's defense yet? Okay. Now, after it become known to the prosecution, so the defense, here it is, so that the defense may make effective use of the information in preparation of its case. So they are violating Robert right now, y'all, based on this new law that was put into place on October 23rd. So therefore, they are in violation because they didn't even have it in his file like they have it in Don Russell and Michael Williams. Why isn't it being put in his file too? I don't know. It's all a setup, y'all. The prosecution must also disclose any information that can be used to impeach the trial testimony of a prosecution witness. Guys, all right, here we go. Within this meaning, in the Giglio in United States versus United States, 405 U.S. 150 in 1972 and its prodigy. Such information must be disclosed sufficiently in advance of the trial for the defendant to make an effective use of its trial or at such time as the court may order. The court does not purport or set forth an exhaustive list of a prosecution disclosure obligation. The foregoing obligation are continuing ones and apply to the material that become known to the prosecution in the future. These obligations also apply to information that is otherwise subject to disclosure, regardless of whether or not the prosecution credits it. In the event the prosecution believed that a disclose under this order would compromise witness safety, victim safety, national security, and sensitive law enforcement technique, and any substantial government interest, it may apply to the court for modification of its obligation, which may include camera review and withholding and subjecting to protective order of all part and some part of the information otherwise subjected to disclosure. The purpose of this order, the prosecution has an affirmation obligation to seek all information subjected to disclosure under this order.
I'm calling you from out of phone.
Okay, and all current and former federal and state and local prosecution, local enforcement officers, and other officers who have participated in the prosecution or investigation that led to the prosecution of the offenses with which the defendant is charged. If the prosecution failed to comply with this order, y'all listen, if the prosecution failed to comply with this order, the court, in addition, is ordering to production of information may be specified to determine condition of such production, grant continuous, impose evidentiary sanction, impose sanctions on the lawyer for the prosecution responsible for violation of the prosecution disclosure of an obligation, dismiss. Y'all read this, number 5. Dismiss charges before trial and vacate the conviction after trial or guilty plea, or enter any other order that is just under the circumstance. So ordered. Ann Donnelly, United States District Magistrate Judge. Anybody want to come in and talk about this? Y'all, anybody want to come in and talk about this? You see that, guys? You see that, Daddy Lolo? Hey, Strawberry, welcome. I'm glad. Thank you for being a new subscriber. Thank you, darling. Guys, what do you think about that? What do you think about that? I'm going to put the link in there. I need somebody to come in and discuss this with me because this is crazy. And you notice they don't even have it inside of Robert's file, but they have it in Don Russell and they have it inside of Michael Williams, but they do not have it in Robert's case. Guys, yeah, the writing is on the wall. This is some shenanigan that's going on. Hey, Brooklyn. Hey, Brooklyn Vaquels. You just got in. You missed a lot, Brooklyn. You might have to go back and review. Oh, I'm glad you're feeling better. Okay, y'all. Somebody needs, I just sent it to the person that talks to Steve, and hopefully Steve and them will jump on this because, and also the judge, the judge in Chicago. Remember when they were asking him for the all the evidence and stuff? They still holding those evidence from Robert. So therefore, this case needs to be thrown out. This case needs to be thrown out. Okay, Brooklyn. Hey, Denitra. Yeah, so guys, this case needs to be thrown out. You guys, you see how much dirtiness that these people playing? They're playing very dirty. Why is it that this particular letter is in Don Russell's case? It's in Michael Williams' case, but it's not in Roberts. I just looked at Roberts. The thing that's in Roberts' case is the trial date that they're trying to set some fake trial date, which is not going to happen because the COVID thing's going on. So, they really messed up. Y'all, if we don't get out there and do something, and this is the chat they need to do too, talk about the new law. Why isn't Robert? Yeah, they didn't turn that stuff in Illinois either, the state case. They still have not turned all the evidence. And guys, listen to this. Didn't that appeals court judge make an order for him to be able to see his lawyer? Remember, that was one of the things they said, that he was going to have opportunity to see his lawyer. That has not happened. Guys, this is a dirty game that these people playing, and they're getting away with it. They're getting away with it. How fair is that? They're getting away with it. Yeah, but okay, I'm trying to keep my pressure down. You know, sometimes when you get passionate about some things, you might say things that's not going to be right. So I need to calm down. I need to calm down. Seriously. Hey, Regina. Y'all, this is some crazy shenanigan that's going on here. Demand the Chicago Law Department to give up the goods. What is Robert's lawyers doing, guys? They need to be filing some motions in regards to the new law that has been applied, right? We're not lawyers, but I'm assuming that they can place a motion because of the new law. The new law was put in on October 23rd. Thank you, Alethea, for the information. I know I'm gonna start cussing in a minute, and then Ronald's gonna get me for cussing. But the new law was put in place on October 23rd, and this is November the 18th. And my question is, why have Robert's lawyer have not submitted a motion in regard to the evidence that's not been produced to them? Why are they not putting a motion in to dismiss the case because they don't have all the evidence that was supposed to be given? Yeah, I'm gonna I try to stay away from the lawyers, Brad Bunny. I try to stay away. I don't talk to them. I don't say nothing. I just give the information to those people who actually talk to them because I don't want any kind of like drama stuff.
Sorry.
Hold on, someone. Hold on, Dallas.
Sorry.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. But listen, we got work to do, guys. Somebody needs to reach out to Rob's attorney. And I'm not bashing anybody, Regina. I'm not bashing. I just said somebody needs to contact the attorney. I'm not bashing that one. So attorneys, if you're looking, I'm not bashing you. I just have questions, you know. Since this law has been put into place on October 23rd, is somebody in your office reviewing the new laws so they can be abreast of things that's happening so you can fight for your client in a proper way and not let him just be thrown underneath the bridge or the bus, you know, that type of thing? Yeah. Guys, my mouth is getting tired. Hold on, let me give me some water. Hold on. Okay, y'all. Y'all up in this room here. Hit my Cash App. Hit it right now. Because y'all want more information. You want me to repeat. You want me to read and all that kind of stuff. Hit my Cash App. I'm working hard for you guys here. Hit the Cash App. Somebody put the Cash App there for Sylvia. Because you know what? I'm going to do like Kevin do. Hit the Cash App. Hold on, y'all. I'm reading something. Yeah. Thank you. I got somebody to reply to the statement in regards to the new law. They are working on it and how it applies to Robert's case. So thank you. I knew somebody was watching. Thank you. I got the message. They're on top of it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Y'all better hit the Cash App. Thank you, Vet. Tell them to hit my Cash App. Y'all want my information. You want me to reread and read over and over. You want me to go pull up this. You want me to pull up that. But you're not giving me a Cash App. Is that fair? Is that fair? Hit that Cash App. Also, I'm going to go get off now. Because you know what? Since Princess Diana said I'm evil, I'm about to be evil. I'm about to shut this thing down. Y'all know I'll do it too. You know I'll do it. Thank you, Nakia. Nakia don't want me to take it down. Thank you, Nakia, darling. She don't want me to shut it down because she know me. I'll turn it off in a minute. I will. I want me to read this, go do this, go over, do that, and show me this, pull up this app here. And don't you know my Pacers account costs money? Then you know that? I don't get it for free. Every time I pull those things and print it and read it to y'all, I'm working here, okay? And I think I need to get paid. Exactly, bird. All right, so I'm going to count to 5. If I don't get another Cash App, I'm shutting it down already. 5. Oh, got another. Thank you, Yvette. everybody wants something for free and don't want to give a person nothing. You know, I'm gonna do just like Kevin. Y'all give him his Cash App. Why not Sylvia? Sylvia work hard for her money. I work hard for my money. All right. I do. I work hard. I ain't saying another thing. I ain't reading another piece of paper either. That's right. You want to go, you go find it yourself. You want to suck up my information, go get it from somebody else that give it to you. Go ahead on, give it to them. Okay? That's right. Sony, UMG, 80,000 tabs, and they don't even have a fraction of what actually happened. Exactly. So you add the Cash App sign. Add the Cash App sign at the bottom. I do have it on here. New Cash App sign. I don't, yeah, because I'm not monetized, so I don't have that super chat thing. I'm not monetized, y'all. Since it just passed, maybe you need to download it again. Yes, ma'am. You do work overtime. Thank you. Thank you, Tracy. Thank you, darling. I appreciate you, Tracy. Wait a minute. Oh God. I saw that. You know what? People are so dirty. What you Cha-Cha? What you missed? I'm missing the people that didn't give no Cash App. I'm missing the folks that are asking for stuff for me to redo it and come back and say it again, and then they're not giving no Cash App, but they want to go give other people Cash App, and so I just feel that I'm being cheated. That's it. I'm being taken advantage of. I'm not being appreciated. I'm not being appreciated enough. That's what I feel right now. And watch, the numbers are getting small. When I was reading all that stuff, there were like high numbers up in here. Now they're leaving. Because, once you ask them to open up their purse and their pocketbook, they want to run. But then they want to suck up everything. And I'm worth something. My time is worth something. That's all I'm saying, Cha-Cha. But I'm about to get off because I feel abused. I feel let down. And they saying, so? That's what they say. Well, maybe you can go on and have a visit to other people's chat. But anyway, guys, I'm about to go. Cha-Cha, Sylvia getting like... Princess Diana, okay, look what Princess Diana said. Cha-Cha, Sylvia's getting like Kevin. She's acting bossy. No. What? Because Angel, because I don't know what the heck to do. Angel, I've been asking people to help me to get monetized. I screwed up something. Don't know how to get it right. They keeps telling me that I have there's a channel that the email that I'm using is not. It's already being monetized. It's being used by somebody else, and so it's just. Thank you, Joycelyn. Thank you, darling. Joycelyn just cashed at me. But that's why I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I've had enough numbers of people. I've had the amount of hours to be able to get monetized, but because I did something. Just his face say, "A poor thing." See, I don't have super chat. I know I'm okay. Let me stop complaining and just read the thing, right? Okay. It's my fault because I'm not doing what is right. So why should I complain to you guys, right? You need a Cash App? You need my Cash? My Cash App is too much. Somebody please put my Cash App in there. Because she needs it. She said she needs a Cash App. My Cash App is $ T as in Tom, U as in umbrella, M as in Mary, U as in umbrella, S as in Sam, I as in igloo, I as in igloo, M as in Mary, E as in Edward. That's it. Okay. And it's me standing there next to a car. I have on a denim jacket. If you see somebody else, or if you stop before you get the full name, you're going to get somebody else and you're going to send the money to someone else, which that person has been blessed a couple of times because people didn't go all the way to the end and messed it up. Okay, I'm going to pull it up. I'm going to pull it up. I'm not going to be mean. I'm going to go ahead and do it because you know what? Since Miss What's Name put me out there saying I'm being evil, so I'm not going to be evil. I'm going to be nice. But this is the letter I was talking about that was placed by the judge, and I'm going to share it right now. Hold on. This is the letter right here. Okay, Gucci. All right, so this is the letter here. Can everybody see this letter? I am not doing no dancing. So you can keep your money, Princess Diana. You can keep your money. No rapping for me. No dancing, no rapping. All right, here we go. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you, darling. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys. I really do. I really do. I was being funny, but serious too, because, sometimes when you keep doing things for free, people take advantage of you, and your time is worth something. Your time is worth, whether you believe it or not. When you put in the work for people to be informed, you should get paid for it. You should get a appreciation gift. That's how you get blessed, by being a blessing to others. And I'm always being a blessing to others. Trust me. I was just, putting my little 2 cents out there, because people kept asking me, what did you say? Could you read that again? And then my reader's not even here. My mouth is getting tired. I'm not a talker. I don't like to talk. Normally I sit in my live and I let other people talk because talking make me tired. Teresa, talking make me tired. Tressie, it makes me really tired. Thank you, Angel. All right. Let me read this for you guys. Let me get a glass of water first before I can. Okay. Let's read this. It says here, this is a letter that was placed in Don Russell's file as well as Michael William. And they did this on November 16, which is 2 days ago, right? Today's the 18th, so it would have been on Monday. They placed this in the file. Okay, it says here, I'm not going to read the header and anything like that, but it says this order is entered pursuant of federal law of criminal procedures 5F to confirm the prosecution disclosure obligation. This is their disclosure obligation under the Brady versus Maryland 373 U.S. 83, 1963. And it's, let me look up this word, prodigy. Let me look up that word. Hold on a second, y'all. I'm going to see what that word means. Project. That's why it's project. Okay, that's why it's called project. It's the descent or the descendants of a person, animal, or plant, or offspring. Offspring. That's not what it is. Okay, what is meant by that? Okay, so it's the descent or offspring or child, plant, animal, or descendant of offspring or collectively. Okay. Prodigy, protege. The use of the noun offspring means a person's daughter, son, or wherever, whereas protege means offspring or descendants considered as a group. Offspring. Okay. So that's what that word means. I just wanted to see what it means. And it's protege, I guess the descendant or offspring of that. Okay. To summarize the possible consequences of violating those obligation, the prosecution must disclose to the defense all information favorable to an accused, that is, material either to guilt or to punishment, and that is known to the prosecution at ID at 87. This obligation apply regardless to whether the information would itself constitute admissible evidence. The prosecution shall disclose such information to the defense promptly. So I guess promptly means right away, right, guys? After its existence. So what it means, when they said that they found 1,000 devices, and I guess they reviewed the device, and there's some stuff, so they should tell the defense what was the evidence that they found, right? All right. I'm just asking. After its existence become known to the prosecution, so that the defense may make effective use of the information in the preparation of its case. So they have to give it to them promptly. Because remember, one of the things that the prosecution was giving a hard time to the defense in Chicago when they asked about getting the evidence submitted to them, and they was asking for 60 days, and the judge knocked it down to 45 because the defendant was asking for 30 days. So now they have to give it to them promptly. That's what this law is saying. They have to give it to them promptly after its existence become known to the prosecution, so that the defense make an effective use of the information in the preparation of its case. Prosecution must also disclose, not if, but must also disclose any information that can be used to impeach the trial testimony of a prosecution witness within the meaning of Giglio and United States 405 U.S. 150, 1972, and its protege. Such information must be disclosed sufficiently in advance of trial for the defendant to make effective use of it at trial. So the crap that those people was doing is currently, as of October 23rd, is illegal. Okay. As such time, the court may okay. It says the order does not purport that the set forth exhaustion list of the prosecution disclosure obligation. Okay. The foregoing obligation are continuing once and applied to material that becomes known to the prosecution in the future. These obligations also apply to information that is otherwise subject to disclosure, regardless of whether the prosecution credits it. Okay. In the event that the prosecution believed that a disclosure under the order would compromise witness safety. Oh, so now they're going to use this as an excuse, the reason why. Okay, but listen to this. In the event, it says, in the event prosecution believed the disclosure of under this order would compromise witness safety, victim rights, national security, and sensitive law enforcement technique, or any other substantial government interest, it may apply to the court for modification of its obligation. So they're saying if the prosecution feels that if they disclose the evidence, it may cause safety problems for the witness, or victim's right might be violated, or national security might be issues, or sensitive law enforcement technique may be a problem, that they can apply to the court to modify its obligation. But currently, right now, they are obligated to submit all evidence promptly. That is what it's saying. Okay. Then it says, which may include in-camera review and withholding or subjecting to protective order all or part of the information otherwise subject to disclosures. That means, okay, I already said it. For the purpose of this order, the prosecution has an affirmation obligation to seek all information subject to disclose under this order from all current and former federal, state, and local prosecutors, law enforcement officers, and other officers that have participated in the prosecution and an investigation that led to the prosecution of the offense or offenses with which the defendant is charged. So they need to get all the information from every individual that participated in that investigation. That means that law enforcement, the local prosecutor, like the Kim Fox people, they need to provide how they got the evidence and what the evidence they had. All of that has to be provided from the law enforcement, the local prosecutor, the officers, everybody that has a part in getting the evidence given to the prosecutor needs to provide all evidence. That's what it's saying. All information. Okay. So if the prosecution fails, this is it. This is the consequence part. If the prosecution fails to comply with this order, the court, in addition, is ordering production of the information, right? May, 1, specify the term and condition of such production. 2, grant a continuance. 3, impose evidentiary sanction, which I want that to be done. 4, impose sanction on any lawyer from the prosecution responsible for violation of the prosecution disclosure obligation. 5, dismiss, listen to this, dismiss charges before trial or vacate a conviction after trial or a guilty plea, or enter any other that is just under the circumstance. So ordered. Ann M. Donnelly, United States District Magistrate Judge, November 16th, 2020, Brooklyn, New York. All right. So, guys, did y'all see that? Got it? Got it? It will be given to Greenberg today, guys. I already sent it off to the person, and there's somebody working with it right now. They just sent me a text message, and we got to get on it, guys. I wish I would have read this on Monday, but, I haven't done it. I haven't been on here. So, that is it. Can you dig at me? Go sit down somewhere. Hey, Wish. But I'm about to get off because my mouth is tired. And you're not giving me Cash App, so I'm about to leave. Because some funny bunny person gonna ask me for money on my Cash App. They ain't giving. Well, anyway, I gotta go. I'll see you guys later. Yes, I just cussed you. Sure did. Look at this. This stuff is like putting little spots on my. I'm disappearing. Look, y'all. Look. Look at my hand. Look at the little spots. Oh, I'm melting. I'm melting. No, I'm not showing you a damn thing. Sure ain't. I'm about to go. Unappreciative little boop, 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 boop. How my mouth is tired because I keep talking to y'all. I'm about to go. Bye, Tawana. Bye, Princess Diana. Bye, Pernell. Bye, Tawana again. Bye, you digging me. Bye. Bye, Wish. I'm out. I'm gone. Bye, Tracy. Tracy, you just don't understand, Tracy. These people harass me and they want stuff. They keep asking for stuff, but they're not giving anything. They're so appreciative, you know? Cha-Cha say, shake my head, City. Cha-Cha, what are you shaking your head for? All right, guys, I gotta go for real. I got to go. I'm gonna go find something to eat because I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. I've had tea. Laquita, yes, because somebody just blessed me. I mean, my Cash App people blessed me, so I'm gonna go get me some ice cream and cake. Thank you for those who bless me. Thank you. I pray that God give it you back to you tenfold of what you have blessed me with. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. Okay. Got to go, darlings. Somebody said, Dom said, trying to make it about a coat better. You know what? Yeah, I saw the ugly song. That, you know what? Let me tell you something. Let me get a scripture so I can show you guys what it says here. Yes, I just want to, because I heard her say karma, and I heard her say some stuff that is like, and I see all these people giving her all these accolades behind it and all that. I saw that, and it to me, when you gloat on somebody's bad situation, you just got to be careful. I never gloat over anybody's situation at all. I try to pray for them. Who's this? Who the heck is this? All right. Who is this? I try to pray for them. Who in the world is this, y'all? This is scary. Somebody just started following me. Okay, this is weird. Pernell, that's not nice. Take it back, Pernell. Pernell, take it back. That's not nice. That is not nice. We will not talk negative about people. We will not talk negative about people at all. You're welcome. You're welcome, guys. Yeah, but I was saying that you should never gloat on somebody else's when somebody's down, because let me tell you something, in life, you might be up today, tomorrow you might be in the same situation that person is in. So you got to be careful what you put out, because whatever you put out comes back to you. Smokey, there's a gag order in the state of Illinois, but not in the federal. The federal has not put a gag order on this at all. No. I wasn't talking about you, Pernell. No. I was talking about the stuff that she's out there putting to the public. And I was just, saying that, she's gloating over his situation. And it's really sad that she's making it seem as if, he did all of this to her. But then meanwhile, when you see the video, Shabazz video, it was a different story. She said something totally different in the closed room. But now she's out in the public and she's feeding to the negativity that other people is putting out there. And she's like being part of it. But you just got to be careful. You got to be careful in life because whatever you put out comes back to you. And she's talking about karma. We all know nobody on this earth is perfect. And every single one of us, let me tell you, you might be up today. Every single one of us is going to have a down moment. And you just got to be careful. Got to be careful when you're up and the other person is down. You got to be careful how you treat that person. Because let me tell you, one day you're going to be in that position. And hopefully somebody be there to help you out. Denitra, the young lady put out a video and she's like, not nice. To me, it's not nice. Yeah, it's just not nice. It's not nice at all what she's doing. I didn't even give it any attention, but people send it over and they keep spreading it and stuff like that. To me, I just stay away from stuff like that because I'm a supporter of Robert Sylvester Kelly. I'm a supporter of his, and I have not seen that man say anything nasty or negative about anybody since he's been in this situation. Even prior to him being in this situation, we all know that Elizabeth can't be blocked. I see a comment. Elizabeth. Could you upload the recording from yesterday with Lily? I came in late. Yeah. Calandra, I'm going to be nice to you because you are not. See, Dom is laughing because he knows what I'm saying now. Gucci did not block Elizabeth. Dom, stop. As I was saying, Calandra, I'll be nice to you. I'll send you. Do me a favor, send me an email and I'll send you the link so you can go look at it. I'll send it to you because now I tend to block my stuff to who I wanted to go to, who I wanted to see, so I don't let everybody see my stuff no more. After I put live, if you don't see it, oh well, I don't give it out to everybody. Yeah, so that's what I do. But Calandra, if you send me send me an email, I'll send you the link and give you permission to be able to see it. Okay. She's not blocked. Makes sense to you? Yes. So that's what I do because there are people who try to do stuff to your live and send you different little we call it try to strike your channel. And to avoid the striking, I hide half of my stuff now. I just hide it. If you don't see it while I'm live, I just hide it and then you're gonna have to get the information from me. So that's why I hid it, Calandra. You know what? You digging me? Go sit down somewhere. Get in that corner. But anyway, y'all still got me on here, and I have not gotten no Cash App in a few minutes, or I'm about to leave. Okay. Y'all want me to take my time? I got to go make some money, get some bills paid around this joint. You know what I'm saying? Can we get? They can get anything they need from me assistance. Print, Denitra. Who are you talking about, the attorney? Liz, just send me the email and I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you. Just send me the email. Send me an email. Thank you, Wish. They're not hitting my Cash App. They still trying to be stingy. I'm not even asking for $1 million. You know, I can see if I say, hey, everybody, give me $1 million. I just ask for a blessing. That's all. Click what link? What are you talking about? Oh, you want me to put it in the link in here? Hold on. Let me put the link. You trying to get in? What you trying to get in? Let me see. Is she trying to get in? No, he has never disrespected anyone, Liz. I have never heard him say anything negative about anything. And if somebody says something to him about something negative about someone, he will always look at the brighter side of it. Don't do this, don't do that. You know, it's not nice. Just ignore them, you know, that type of thing. You know, that's what that's what I've seen him do. The times I've heard a interview and stuff like that about him. Yeah, I've never heard anybody really. I've never heard him do what some of these people are doing. You know, some people really, it's in them just to be evil and nasty like that. Yeah, I just put the link in there, Denitra. All this is uncomfortable for everyone. Just come on in. Here, click this, and so you could come in. You don't have to show your face. Just click that link, and you can come in. And Infamous Sylvia digging me is flower. Did you see what Dom just said? You're digging me. He called you flower power. Thank you, Phoenix. Thank you for your blessing. I'm gonna call it Sylvia's blessing now. I forgot. I'm gonna be like Kevin. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Okay. Yeah, I did, Phoenix. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. What was I going to say? Are you going to come in? That's not my Cash App, Dom. Don't do that. That's not my Cash App. It's not Sylvia's blessing, because then you're going to have people sending the money to the wrong place. Dom, remove that. Delete. It's not my Cash App. Stop. Guess, do you know what? Dom, stop. You know what? I'm gonna block Dom from my channel, because look what he doing, y'all. He said Infamous Luana, whatever the Lunel blessing. You see, Dom is evil. I ain't laughing with you. Don't call me that lady. I don't know that lady like that. I do not look like that lady. Nowhere near that I look like that lady. I might be fat like her, but I'm not looking. I don't look like her. Lunel, thank you, Joycelyn. I don't look like that lady. Don't even put me in that category of that lady. Don't want to stop laughing. I mean, no offense, but I don't look nothing like that lady. I don't look nothing like that lady. I don't even sound like that lady. I got a better voice than that lady. Let it go. I ain't letting it go. No, Dom is gonna be in timeout. Y'all, when y'all come in this channel, y'all probably never see Dom again. Unless he change his name and come back as somebody else, because I'm not gonna let him in my channel no more. I have a right to block him. Oh, now he's using what people call me. If I call you what they call you, you think you'd be happy at that? You think they'd be happy? Don't call me that woman. I don't look like that woman. Because he wants to get on my bad side, y'all. Yeah, I can't even say the woman's name. So they don't call me her. I definitely need time for me to get off because I'm going to start acting ugly and I need to stay in a positive mind frame. All right. I'll see you later. Bye, guys. Toodaloo. Okay, Cha-Cha is coming in. I was about to get off, but Cha-Cha is coming in. Hold on. Let's see what Cha-Cha want. Love you too, Cynthia. I don't want to talk to Dom no more. Dom, you on my doo-doo list. Cha-Cha, you coming in? I'm about to go. Your device is not working. I see you coming in. Oh, Cha-Cha disappeared. I'm waiting for her to come back. Cha-Cha, come on in so I can go. Hold up. Wait a minute. No. Hold on. Wait a minute. No. Where's Cha-Cha? She coming in? Denitra, you coming in? Denitra. Oh, you're not coming in? Cha-Cha said her computer's acting up. I see it, Phoenix. I said thank you. I saw your donation. Thank you, darling. Thank you. I'm about to go. Phoenix, I got it. Yes, I did see your donation. I did say thank you. I think you might have not been in here when you said it. Okay. But anyway, guys, I'll see you later. I'm gone. Later. Bye.